Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use Planarize and Generalize, and what is the use of Planarize and what is the use of Generalize. So guys, in this data I have this one, this is the two lines, it is crossing. So I want to split. So I want to split this line. So what I have to do, I will select this one, I will go to and this one split tool, select, and I will click here, then it will split it. So each line I have to select. When I want to split this four-way junction, I have to select each line and I go and select the split line. So it's not required to go every time. So we have Planarize. If you have four-way junction, it is line crossing, you want to split this one four things. So what I have to do, please first I have to select this one. Here go to Planarize, click this one, it is showing 0.001 tolerance, click OK. See, now it is splitted. It is splitted at a time 4 waves. See, 4-way junction is splitted to individual 4 lines. Okay guys, it's not required to use split tool. You can use multiple line also, you can select multiple lines and you can select Planarize, it is automatically splitted. So see, this one also 3-way junction, so I want to split this line, so just select this line to go to here Planarize, click OK. Here it is showing Planarize, tolerance is 001, click OK. See, now it is splitted. This is multiple, you can split the lines by using Planarize tool. For example, I will show you multiple also. See here, this is the line, this 4-way junction, like this. Here also 4-way junction. Here also I draw this line. So now I am going to show you multiple. Before I select this line and I select this line. Now I will select this all. Now I am going to run Planarize, click OK button. See, now if you select this one, see, before it is single, now it is individual. So this is multiple time you can use the Planarize tool. Okay guys, now I am going to show you Generalize. And Generalize, what is the use of Generalize? So that is, Generalize tool is convert arc to line, it will convert. So this one is line, so I want to convert line features. So first select this one, go to Generalize tool, click this one, here type tolerance 0.001, click OK. See, now if you select this one, see, it is converted arc to line feature. So like this we can use Planarize and Generalize. Okay guys, thank you so much.